Hello everyone, this is Prashant Pandey. In this lecture, we will discuss the cancellation procedure of registration of a registered trade union, the circumstances under which the registration certificate of any registered trade union can be cancelled by the registrar of the trade union concerned. So basically section 10 provides for the circumstances in which the registration of a registered trade union may be withdrawn or cancelled by the order of the registrar of trade unions. The Act also provides for the appeal to the appellate authority against the orders of the registrar if the registrar refuses to register the trade unions or cancels or withdraws the registration of the registration of a trade union. So, we will discuss the grounds on which cancellation of certificate of trade unions can be done. So, under section 10, a certificate of registration of a trade union may be withdrawn or cancelled by the registrar of trade unions on the following grounds. First, on the application of the registered trade unions. Second, when registration was obtained by fraud or mistake. Third ground is when trade union ceases to exist. And at last, when trade union contravenes any provision of the Trade Unions Act 1926. So we will discuss these grounds in detail one by one. The first ground is on the application of the registered trade union. According to section 10 clause a registered trade union may apply to the registrar for cancellation of the registration of the trade union. Such application is verified by the registrar in such manner as may be prescribed under regulation number 6 of the Central Trade Unions Regulation 1938. So these applications should be verified by the registrar concerned whether these applications of cancellation of registration certificate are genuine or not, and for that purposes the registrar should ensure that first the withdrawal or cancellation proposal was approved by a general meeting of the trade union or not, or secondly whether the cancellation has the approval of the majority of the members. So before cancelling the registration certificate, it is the duty of the registrar to ensure that whether the application which has been moved by the members of the trade union or the office bearers of the trade union concerned for the cancellation of registration certificate, whether such application is approved by a general meeting of the trade union or not, or whether such cancellation has been approved by the majority of the members of that trade union concerned or not. Only after that, after the insurance by the registrar, the certificate can be cancelled by him. If it was not so approved, then this cancellation must have the approval of the majority of the members of the trade union. For the verification of the application of cancellation, the registrar may call for such particulars as he may deem necessary and examine any official of the trade union. For ensuring these provisions, the registrar may require such particulars by any office bearer of the trade union concerned, and for that purposes any inquiry can be made by the registrar himself or by any official appointed by him. On his satisfaction, after the verification of the application, the registrar may cancel the certificate of registration of the registered trade union, and after the satisfaction, the registrar can cancel the certificate on the application of the members of the trade union concerned. The second grounds on which the registration certificates of registered trade union can be cancelled is that in case when the registration of the registered trade union was made or the certificate was obtained by the members by exercising fraud or mistake. According to section 10 clause B, the registrar may cancel the certificate of registration of a registered trade union if he is satisfied that the certificate of registration has been obtained by the applicants by fraud or by exercising misrepresentation by the concerned persons. The third condition on which the registration can be cancelled is when trade unions contravenes any provision of the Trade Unions Act 1926. According to section 10 clause B, the registrar may cancel the registration of a registered trade union if the registered trade union has contravened any of the provisions of the Trade Unions Act 1926. So, after the registration process is completed, if the concerned trade union violates any of the provisions of the trade unions, in that situation, the registrar is entitled to cancel the registration certificate which has been issued by him on that grounds. In the case of Tata Electric Company's Officials Guild versus Registrar of Trade Unions, the Bombay High Court held that contravention of provisions of the Act by the trade union must be a willful contravention for the cancellation of registration. Where the trade union does not file return due to misunderstanding of accounting year but is filed soon after the show cause notice is given, the contravention is not willful and cancellation of registration is not proper. So before the cancellation is done, a proper time should be provided to the concerned trade union so that in case the contravention of any provisions has not been done by the trade union concerned in a willful manner, in that situation the rectification of that mistakes or that contravention can be done by the trade unions concerned in that time. The registration of the trade unions concerned can also be done on the ground that the trade union concerned contravenes or has made any rules which is inconsistent with the rules provided under section 6 of the Act. So, if any provisions of section 6 has not been fulfilled or any rule which has been made by the registered trade union contravenes the provisions of section 6, in that situation the registration certificate of the concerned trade union can be cancelled by the registrar of trade unions concerned. According to section 6, a trade union is not entitled to registration unless the rules thereof provide for the matters specified in section 6. Section 6 provides for the matters with respect to which a trade union to be registered must make rules. Now, the fourth ground on which a certificate of registered trade union can be cancelled is when trade union ceases to exist. In case when there are no minimum required numbers of members in the trade union, in that situation, the registration certificate of the trade union concerned can be cancelled by the registrar of the trade unions. For the constitution of trade unions, a minimum number of membership should be possessed by the trade union concerned, and at any time if that number is ceases or the trade unions has not such quantity of membership, in that situation the registration certificate of trade union can be cancelled by the registrar of the trade union. Before cancelling the trade unions, the certificate of trade unions, a 2 months prior notice should be provided by the registrar to the concerned trade unions. The proviso to section 10 mentioned that not less than 2 months previous notice in writing specifying the grounds on which it is proposed to withdraw or cancel the certificate shall be given by the registrar to the trade union before the certificate is withdrawn or cancelled otherwise than on the application of the trade union. So, except in case of clause A, that is the cancellation of certificate on the application of the trade union, a 2 months prior notice is necessary to be given by the registrar to the trade union concerned before the cancellation of registration certificate on any grounds which is against the provisions of the trade union concerned. In the case of Navali National Workers Union versus Additional Registrar 2 of Trade Unions, it has been provided that a notice under section 10 clause B which does not give the trade union an opportunity to comply with the provisions of the act is not a proper notice. So, a proper time should be provided to the trade union so that any defects on the part of the trade unions concerned can be rectified within the span of 2 months period before the cancellation of registration certificate of the trade unions. After that, in the case of Mukund Iron and Steel Works Limited versus V.G. Deshpande, Registrar of Trade Unions Bombay 1986, the Bombay High Court held that once the registrar cancels or withdraws the registration of a trade union, he has no power left to cure that order. After the cancellation, the registrar has no power to review it and he cannot withdraw that order of cancellation because of subsequent events. The Bombay High Court further explained that a trade union whose registration has been cancelled has remedies in the form of appeal against such order, in the form of an appeal and in the form of application for fresh application. If the appeal succeeds, the order of cancellation or withdrawal of registration could be held to be bad ab initio, and the trade union would continue on the register as if the order of cancellation has not been passed. If fresh registration is permitted, it would operate from the date thereof.